Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Westside is a residential community located on the northwestern side of Kamloops, British Columbia, following the banks of the North Thompson River. Surrounded by rolling hills, grasslands, and river valleys, the neighborhood reflects the natural landscapes typical of the interior of British Columbia. Today, Westside is known for its quiet neighborhoods, schools, and parks, offering residents a balance of small-town atmosphere and access to the amenities of Kamloops. One of the defining historical events connected to the Westside area occurred in June of 1972 when severe flooding affected neighborhoods along the North Thompson River. High water levels and heavy runoff caused a dike to fail in the nearby Oak Hills subdivision, allowing floodwaters to pour into residential streets. Boats replaced cars for a time, and residents worked together with emergency crews to protect homes and assist those forced to evacuate. Following the flood, the city and province invested in improved flood control systems, including stronger dikes and better river monitoring. These improvements helped protect riverside communities and also created walking and cycling routes along the top of the dikes. Today, these pathways provide scenic views of the river and surrounding hills while serving as reminders of the region's ongoing relationship with the powerful Thompson River system. As Kamloops expanded through the 20th century, Westside gradually transformed from a more rural settlement into a fully developed residential community. Schools, sports fields, and community facilities were built to serve the growing population. The area maintains a strong sense of local identity, with many families choosing Westside for its open spaces, outdoor recreation, and proximity to the river. Long before modern development, this area was part of the traditional territory of the Secwepemc people, who have lived in the region for thousands of years. The surrounding hills and valleys provided hunting grounds and travel routes, while the nearby rivers supported fishing and trade. The arrival of European fur traders in the early 19th century, including those working for the Hudson's Bay Company, marked the beginning of major changes to the region's way of life. Kamloops itself began to take shape in the early 1800s as a trading post and transportation hub, thanks to its strategic location at the confluence of the North and South Thompson Rivers. By the late 1800s, the expansion of the Canadian Pacific Railway transformed the area into a key link between the coast and the interior. This period of growth laid the foundation for the city that would eventually expand into surrounding hillsides. Thank you for joining us on the drive in Kamloops, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.